What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today I'm in a different spot. This was my very first spot that I started hunting in a couple years ago. That's where I was able to shoot my first mottled duck. I came out scouting here yesterday evening, and there are like 200 to 300 pintails in here, and pintails are not something that I've seen like at all this season. So got in here, kind of snuck in here early. I could still see them kind of like out in the water. So I just kind of like paddled my way through the flock. They didn't get up, but I was able to make it through. About 20 minutes before shooting light, they got up, and I could hear they kind of moved somewhere back behind me. I think there was like a pond somewhere back behind me. So got the decoys out. I can just kind of show you real quick. It's a super low tide today, and I think the tide is even going out even more. So I already had one pintail kind of buzz by me, but didn't commit or anything. So hopefully as it gets later, they'll start wanting to kind of like loaf over here like they were yesterday evening. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I just got two beautiful sprigs. Look at that. And another good one. Heck yeah. Basically, there's a flock of maybe like 30 that had came in, about like 100 yards to my right. The sun came out, I guess something spooked them. The bigger flock kind of flew out straight ahead, and then that flock of like, I think it was 3, 4-ish, ended up kind of flying over me. I was able to get these two stud drakes. The big old sprig on them. Everything else kind of spooked up. That huge raft of redheads kind of flew off. They landed probably like half a mile to the north of me now, so not really much moving as far as like flight wise. They're just kind of all rafted up. There's a couple bluebills that keep kind of like whizzing out in front of me, and then slowly there's some other pintails kind of like slowly trickling back. They're landing like 100 yards on both sides of me, not really getting close. So I may stick it out for another couple hours and see what happens, and then I'll probably just pack it up and head home. That way I can get these taken care of and get ready for the wall. I'd say there's definitely a couple ducks around. Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. There's some small storms rolling in, and it just kind of seemed like to shut down, so there's not really anything flying. Definitely gonna get these birds taken care of, that way I can give them in good condition, that way I can mount them later on. I'll probably do a video of me trying to mount them after I decide kind of like what mounts or what poses I want to do with them, because I'm definitely hanging on to them. But thanks again for watching, and I'll attach some hopefully better pictures of what I took at the end of the video. So thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one.